Welcome to the infrared of me Nubia Red Magic 7S, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first, let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search bar we should enter green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing. Then click here to open and tap to enable in settings. Near green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher, tap twice to OK and go back. Then click here to switch input method and switch your currently keyboard to green Apple keyboard. Now we can see that the process is finished, and let's go here to the App Store to see the new look of our device keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.